Story Nest.
Ella the elephant, with her large floppy ears swaying gently, and Max the monkey, his tail trailing behind him like a playful vine, ventured deeper into the whispering woods than they had ever dared before. Sunlight dappled through the dense canopy, illuminating strange and wonderful flora. A sense of adventure bubbled within them as they pushed aside giant ferns and marveled at glowing mushrooms. Following the melodious chirping of unseen birds, they stumbled upon a hidden path, overgrown with vibrant bluebells and luminous moss. Max, ever curious, scampered ahead, his nimble fingers brushing against the velvety petals. Ella followed more cautiously, her large feet making soft thuds on the mossy ground. The air grew humid and carried the faint scent of salt water, a scent utterly foreign to the deep woods. The path opened into a breathtaking sight, a secluded lagoon, its water shimmering with an ethereal turquoise glow. Waterfalls cascaded down moss-covered rocks, feeding the tranquil pool, but the most astonishing sight was the group of mermaids swimming gracefully in the lagoon. Their tails, in hues of emerald, sapphire, and amethyst, shimmered as they moved, and their laughter echoed like tinkling bells. As Ella and Max watched in awe from the water's edge, one of the mermaids with long flowing golden hair noticed them. She beckoned them closer with a friendly smile. Soon all the mermaids gathered near the edge of the lagoon, their melodic voices weaving a captivating song about the magic of the hidden lagoon and the kindness of its creatures. Some of them gracefully danced in the water, creating swirling patterns of light and color. Ella and Max spent the rest of the afternoon with their new friends, listening to their enchanting tales of the underwater world and sharing stories of the forest. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting long shadows through the trees, it was time for them to bid farewell, promising to visit the magical lagoon again soon. They left with hearts full of wonder and the unforgettable melody of the mermaid's song echoing in their ears.